The Lagos International Trade Fair Complex is a 350 hectares facility along Lagos Badagry Expressway, hosting a number of market traders. The facility was constructed in the 1970s as planned to host an international trade fair upon fulfillment in 2002. Jewelries, auto spare parts, and other consumer goods traders from Balogun Market on Lagos Island relocated to the complex. Today, the complex holds traders representing numbers of trade functions, including Balogun Business Association, auto spare part and machineries, dealers associations, and jewelries under the banner of Association of Progressive Traders. Hi, my name is EJ of Nigeria to the world, and today I welcome you all, and also thank you all for always coming in to support me on every of my uploaded video as I take you around a trade fair market to get some few things that I do my business. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. How much is it? To file the nails.
And we have dryers, UV dryers.
That is hand
gel
dryer.
polish dryers. Different types, 2 hands, single hand, for leg, different types.
How much is this one?
That one you can use with power bank.
Just
There's some light.
okay, you can use this one power bank.
Yes.
Where they do it a lot to connect to the power bank?
This is it.
For power bank.
Yes. You put the
Okay.
Let me show you the cable.
There's nothing inside this one.
Let me show you the cable, how it looks.
Trade fair market has different plazas, and different plazas they have different things they sell. Like in this plaza which I am, they sell makeups, nail polish, nails, eye contact, conditioners, ring lights. So many different things are being sold in this particular plaza, and the sweetest part of this is each plaza is named a particular state. Like in this plaza, they have Plateau Plaza, they have Ebonyi Plaza, Lagos Plaza, Abuja Plaza, so the list goes on and on. And in each plaza, they have different things they sell. If you go to another plaza, you see they sell only. If you go to other plaza, you see only they sell cosmetics. Go to other different plaza, you see they sell body sprays, perfume, and different things. And it's a good place to do your business. People from far countries come to this particular market to buy things, and most of the things in this plaza are even shipped to different parts of Africa as a whole. And yeah, come with me as I take you around. This market is massive, very big market. So right now we're going to where they sell extension, ribbons, wigs, braids, and everything concerning hair. So here in this plaza is where they sell extensions, all kind of hair product that you're looking for, from braids, wigs, human hair, synthetic, everything that you're looking for is being sold here. And one thing about it is that people from different parts of African countries do come here to buy, and there's a weekly shipping of goods from this particular market to different parts of the country, like Zambia, Zimbabwe, Kenya, South Africa, everywhere. And yeah, it's a good place to get cheaper hairs and look good. Come with me as I take you around this particular plaza. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Really sorry about the low voice. It's kind of very loud because of the numbers of generator we're working at the moment, and it's hard. How are you?
Mansa.
My man. I did. What's up, man?
Who you trying for that? Who you there record?
You. Sorry. Boss, I'll get you good money. Yeah. How much is it? The black there.
This
The
is
plane.
10 inches.
You don't have the plane.
Yeah? Precious. This guy is 10. It's like 10 inches.
That 99J, do you still have 99J?
Yeah?
99J.
990, yes.
Give me one.
What else is it?
I need this thing plain black, but you don't have it. Where did you bring this one out from?
How many of the nylon I'll give you?
Two, yeah.
Later, I will show you something so you will keep.
Let me have rubber band.
But it's not that we take another part. Next year, later. The brother will be in front. Yes, yes. Anytime I see one, you're like, oh, this quiet. No quiet. My friend with my get raspy. That one no like. That one they are stubborn. My shop is really calm and quiet. That one I ain't kakaka. Wahala, no wahala. If you look for trouble, it's inside, it's black. You don't want to rubber band it anymore?
Say?
So you rubber band it with the clothes?
No, I don't band it closely. It needs to be spread inside. I'm coming. Precious. I'm coming. Boss. My God.
I didn't see the picture of this one. Good morning. Which one they carry camera for body they waka? How they do you? Eh?
Sit down.
I'm come. It's just that never they track you come here. No power.
Now you then say my con carry. They say my con carry you.
They can carry you.
How much is this one? Eh?
For pack.
Oh, they come with pack.
Pack.
Okay, now pack here.
Now we go.
How much is it?
Now this I mentioned no sweet.
Now call the cut down. Now train. I'm coming. Alpha. How you doing? That for me, send how much? I need two that one. For me. Then this one. 3. How they call? Ma collect for you. Okay, this one another color. White liner. White nylon. You say? I'll pack here. Rubber bag. Give me 5. Remain 1. Voters card. I don't register, then decline me say I do double registration. And I don't wait since last year, and I don't do since August. I never do before. Now August I can't go register. Then give me printout. Last year, they give me printout. Say they will call me, message me when I'll get them. I don't wait. I'll be like, wait here, I can't go Ojo, go find out. Either they don't they give because they said Nadia go collect. They say they never they share. Say when they start to they share, they will call me. I don't wait. I ask other people. They say then do their own. They say they don't already collect. I'll be like, wait here, now I can't go check because I sign in for their website. Can't go check. Once they say they don't decline me since to register me. Can't collect your own. Now what they supposed to do now? House to house. This in plain black there, Abi. Where you put them? Just one. Color. Shine. Then the other 30. You don't finish. 1 and 3. Give me 3. done with our purchase. It's time to go to make delivery, then we call it a day.
What happened? Who you give work? What thing go do for you? Hey, ain't go make. Okay. Where you gonna go now? Now me they follow. Come my carry go my house. My house. Alright, now later.
真的把你卖笨。
What be a road now? Attention na costa there. Oh yeah, ka. When he was married, culture.